All right, I'm going to do a quick run through of the setup. So here's the Mean Machine, the 1923 Royal Desktop number 10. We have the LEDs running inside it. It's a USB conversion, so it actually connects to a computer. So here's my computer here. And so on your Mac Mini, you're going to have probably a file like this on the desktop that you just double click. And it'll boot up. And there'll be, in order to run it, there's only two buttons you need to hit. One is right here. It's this tint off. And I have these instructions here, so you just hit tint off, and then you hit full screen, and then it'll just start running. So right now it's running in screensaver mode, so without any input from the typewriter, it's just going to run, and it'll just cut through random videos, it'll cut through random effects and things like that. The moment you actually start hitting keys, that's where it queues up the different stuff. So it allows people to kind of like DJ it. I still need to plug in a couple of the effects. I got the screen splits working. And then all the keys are mapped to different memes. So that's kind of cool. And then I did 10 video banks. So let me show you those real quick. There's a drop down menu. And these all correlate to folders that we set up ahead of time. And I just kind of made a bunch of random different ones. We'll have to go through all the videos. There's some other controls that aren't super necessary. This is just sort of for, looking through the video banks. So you can like go forward and back on the different ones and start, stop them, screensaver mode. So yeah, I did a bunch of different ones. You'll have to go through and figure out what you want. I did some that were like, based on it being like a coffee shop. So there's like a lot of coffee themed ones. There's like party and drink themed ones as well. I can show you some of these. Each of these banks has 26 videos. So you should just, when you change them, make sure they always have 26 so it plays correctly. But yeah, so right now there's like 10 banks, and they're all different ones. I think this one's kind of like a dance-oriented one. So it's pretty cool. It'll run automatically, like I said, or when people type on it, they can kind of queue up the ones they want, which is cool. So yeah, we're there. There's a few tweaks I need to do. I'll get the approval of all the content from you all, and you guys can add to it or take away or do whatever. So, yep, we're there. It works.